someone else. I'm what to do. That's what I'm on. Spend my life with you. I won't please you anywhere.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Maya and Yana. Let's get right into this video. Okay, so my hair is super choppy because I cut it for the billionth time. But yeah, I can't really braid it or anything like that right now at the length that it's at. So I'm just putting gel on it, combing it down, just to make it as flat as possible for under the wig cap.
It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. You can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it's strange, straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't.
I think I put the glue on a little bit too thick because it was still visible after some time. If I had to do it again, I probably would do the layer a little bit thinner.
Thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there.
This is my first time following up the glue with the Got to Breathe spray, and I will say I really like this method. I think that it makes all of the difference in how your hair melts in the end.
You there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you
down Shelby Drive. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side. Now they on the other side. Oh well.
I struggle a lot with baby hairs. As you can see, it's gonna be a real process. But in the end, I think I got it pretty good. It took a lot of trial and error. I'm still learning a lot of different techniques because out of everything having to do with applying a wig or any type of lace, like the baby hairs are always the most biggest struggle I have.
Whoa. Yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs.
One thing I definitely learned is if you want your baby hairs to look nice, it's not gonna take 5-10 seconds. It's gonna take some work. It's gonna take some time. You're gonna have to keep redoing it, rehashing it out until you get it to the point that you like it. It took me about 15 minutes before I started to like what these baby hairs was looking like.
Baby, yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? In the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, how about her week? You telling me taste the gun. Pointed the nigga who act like a killer, but you only work from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get stripped. Bring Drake to the hood. Surround Drake, round Drake. Even though I got the cake, I'ma do what it takes. And I never been embraced. And the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't dead it. Party still bleeding, my niggas still eat it. Like yo, they look like the garden, they eat it. Little talk with him, she spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib gone crazy down bad. What they had didn't last. Down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby.
I would like to get
this is how it came out. I think I did pretty good. I think it looks really, really nice, especially for this to be a Shein wig. If you want to see more videos like this and more, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.